This is a GNCC indoor cam. Comes in a package of 4. Comes with all these parts. Each camera has its own charger and the connector. I'm just going to show you that it just plugs in really easy. You connect it to your Wi-Fi. You can place them wherever you want. You can be more discreet. You can put it out in the open. The stand works really well. It's got all the features. There's a red light there showing that it's not connected to the internet yet. There's a card slot here where you can actually record and keep recordings if you like. There's a rotation at the base. Really creates like a 360. If you have it mounted, it turns all the way around. They're very lightweight. Great for lots of different locations. It does come with the mounting tools if you'd like. But yeah, it's a great camera, way less expensive than the other name brands that I've seen, and it works great. It's got the night vision, it's got the 2-way audio on it, it's got voice detection. These little cameras are a great addition to your home security for sure. I love them. You're going to love them too.